Let's use motion capture. Second half. In this second half, I will explain how to mix the motion you applied with keyframe motion. I will be explaining with version 2.4.0 of the user interface. Second half. Let's mix with keyframe motion. I've displayed the model and panel. The motion that we used in the first half of the tutorial has been applied to the model. With Pastel action, we can mix keyframe motion using the panel. Let's apply keyframe motion to the left arm. Press the motion capture button in the panel. A submenu will appear. Press keyframe motion mode. Another submenu will appear, and you can select what part of the body you want to animate. Let's choose the left hand as we want to move the left arm. Let's see how it moves. In order to make it easier to see, only show the necessary parts of the user interface and the 3D view of what you are editing. Here, let's mix keyframe motion on the left hand. Let's apply keyframe motion to the first two 50th frames. We'll make the hand make a peace sign gradually from the first to 25th frame. From the 25th until 50th frame, we'll leave the peace sign as is. From the 51st frame, it will switch to captured animation. Currently, the first frame is on a timeline. We just added keyframe motion to the left arm, so we can leave it as is. Firstly, from the bottom right of the panel, select the key button to add a keyframe. A submenu will appear. Select Add a Key. Another submenu will appear. We only applied a keyframe motion to the left arm, so let's select the left hand. With this, we have applied keyframe motion for everything from the first frame. Next, up until the 25th frame, we will gradually make a peace sign. Let's move to the 25th frame. Let's use the feature to close all the fingers on the left hand at once. Next, use the individual finger movement feature and select the pointing finger and middle finger. This will open those fingers, creating a peace sign. Let's use the Add Key tool to add a key. Add a key to the left hand. With this, the first to 25th frame will be keyframe motion and gradually make a peace sign. We will continue this all the way to the 50th frame, so move to the 50th frame on the timeline. Let's add a key to the left hand. With this, the 25th to 50th frame will be in keyframe motion and continue the peace sign movement. Next, we will switch to captured motion from the 51st frame. Change the left hand into motion capture mode. Push the motion capture button on the panel. A submenu will appear. Select motion capture mode. Another submenu will appear. Select what part of the body you want to change to capture mode. This time we will be using the left hand, so select the left hand. Add a key to keep this condition. Add a key to the left hand. Finally, we will make capture mode continue until the 100th frame. Move to frame 100 on the timeline. Add a key to the left hand. With this, all the preparation has been completed. Close the user interface and the 3D edit view and check the movement. Go back and watch in slow motion. You can see that the left hand gradually makes a peace sign, and afterwards becomes the captured movement. That's all for the explanation of keyframe motion and mixing different motion modes. Thank you for watching.